Hello everyone, I'm Jana from FIR Semiconductors. Today I'm going to introduce Inova Semiconductors and its innovative high-speed data transmission technology for vision and lights, APIX and ISOLED. Founded in February 1999 in Munich, Germany, Inova Semiconductors is an expert in high-speed data transmission. Since its inception, Inova has been working on improving data transmission technology. Its products have been widely adopted in major public transport infrastructure projects, such as the Airport Express train service in Hong Kong and PATH, a commuter rail link between the states of New Jersey and New York in the United States. In 2008, at the request of automakers and after brainstorming with industry professionals, Inova Semiconductors brought its expertise in high-speed data and signal transmission into the automotive industry. Inova's first technology in its automotive technology was APIX. It was announced in 2008. APIX provides the most reliable multi-channel high-speed data transmission over high bandwidth as what we call a SerDes solution. In 2016, Inova Semiconductors again partnered with global OEM and developed a disruptive novel approach to control RGB LEDs. This technology is called ISOLED, which for the first time make dynamic ambient lighting control possible on any vehicle. In this video, we will introduce you to both APIX and ISOLED technologies. So stay tuned and follow the video. In the following, I'm introducing APIX, the high-speed video and data link technology by Inova Semiconductors. APIX, which stands for Automotive Pixel Link, is a SerDes technology. That is a pair of serializer and deserializer ICs. Through APIX, high volume of videos, audios, diagnostic controls, and even the Ethernet signals can be transmitted over one single cable, in a low latency and uncompressed fashion. Such demand for reliable high-speed transmission is the utmost important prerequisite for automotive applications, which is why APIX remains so popular within the industry because of its superb performance. The video illustration you can see depicts the logics behind how APIX works. TX stands for transmitter, which receives the signals of videos, audios, and controls from the centralized processing unit of the car, or the head unit. With the framing technology which APIX provides, all those signals can now be transmitted through the download link to the RX, the receiver side, for display use. Frames allow this high-speed link to transmit signals reliably with ultra-low latency, like a reliable conveyor belt. Meanwhile, APIX revolutionary bidirectionality allows APIX devices to transmit control signals backward via the upload link, without interrupting the simultaneous download stream. This is what we call real bidirectionality. Take INAP 375T and INAP 375R of the second generation APIX, the APIX2 for example. Videos, audios, digital and Ethernet signals can all be transmitted through one cable. APIX provides an uncompressed real-time transmission under fixed frequency, which ensure the transmission is immune to electromagnetic interference. Since its inception in 2008, over 100 billion APIX nodes have been on the road used in cars, including each and every vehicle manufactured by the Jaguar Land Rover and BMW Group, including Rolls-Royce and BMW Mini, as well as selected cars of Lamborghini, Maserati and Volvo. APIX also recently made its debut in the Chinese auto market and is now being used by groups such as Geely and Beijing Automotive. In order to serve aforementioned OEMs who choose APIX as their trusted SerDes technology supplier, Inova Semiconductors has established smooth working relationships with various global Tier 1s to ensure efficient technical and logistic support along the supply chain. Inova also emphasizes the importance of building a mature ecosystem. Inova regularly speaks to SoC suppliers, cable and connector manufacturers to ensure that its products can be compatible to the latest industry standard. Inova licenses its APIX technology to select SoC suppliers such as Analog Device and Socionext, so that APIX technology are embedded in different types of popular GPUs on the market. Customers can now simply buy one embedded SoC and enjoy the top-notch digital high-speed data link with minimal costs. There are a few highlights on how APIX ranks its competitors. In the following, I explain how. There are embedded filters, offset compensations, automotive gain control, and decision feedback equalizer in each and every APIX node. These designs provide great signal conditioning. Take this illustration for example. A most ideal signal wave should be the one highlighted in blue color. Without conditioning, signals may deteriorate along the cable because of aging or damages. When the signals arrive on the receiver side, the wavelengths could deteriorate and become something like the red curve, without distinct reading of zeros and ones. APIX technology permits automatic conditioning before the signal being sent out from the transmitter. The transmitter will detect the condition of the cable being used and adjust the strength of the wave, perhaps sharpening the wavelengths to something similar to the black curve, so that after long-distance transmission, when the signal arrived on the receiver side, the wavelength will still look like something similar to the ideal blue curve, even after potential deterioration. The illustration on the left is the diagram for operations without signal conditioning. Wavelengths are in disorderly fashion, which means poor transmission quality. The illustration on the right depicts how APIX signals operate under signal conditioning, and it gives us a clear eye diagram representing superb transmission performance. An exclusive automotive shell or A-shell protective protocol is also available on APIX. The cyclic redundancy check or CRC will be conducted on both the transmitter and receiver side to ensure data integrity. When an error is detected, APIX chips will initiate its built-in mechanism to transmit lost data to ensure transmission quality maintained. Another popular feature of the APIX is the built-in Ethernet channel. In an era of Internet of Cars, major OEMs around the globe all replace analog gadgets with electronic cluster and cockpit on digital displays. In the event a software update is needed, APIX embedded Ethernet link is convenient and allows customers to complete software updates easily. This is what competing video link solutions cannot achieve.